quick announcement para doon sa mga tao na gustong ma-promote to senior leadership position in organization. Maaring rank and file ka pa lang, individual contributor ka pa lang today, pero meron kang aspiration to be successful, become a senior manager or director or senior executive. This is for you. If you're not interested, just go ahead and scroll along. Meron akong top 10 career lessons to share with you. There's going to be 10 more videos that will follow this. It's going to be a series. And at the end of it, I'm going to share with you a career toolkit that you can use to guide you in your process of pursuing your career goal. So, sundan mo ito. Sa ngayon, bibigyan kita ng summary ng ating pag-uusapan. Ito yung 10 career lessons for aspiring senior leaders. Number 1, don't just do your job. You need to understand the business, build your business acumen. Number 2, build a reputation for reliability and integrity. Tandaan, trust is the currency of leadership. Number 3, be coachable and seek feedback constantly. Number 4, develop strategic thinking early. Tactical execution gets you noticed. Tandaan mo yan. Learn to lead without a title. Hindi mo kailangan ng position title to influence others. And number 6, build and maintain a strong internal and external network. Number 7, get comfortable with conflict and difficult conversations because good leaders don't shy away from conflicts. Number 8, master the art of decision-making under pressure. Habang tumataas ang posisyon mo, lumalaki ang mga problema na kailangan mong i-handle. Number 9, invest in self-development constantly. Number 10, own your career and don't wait to be discovered. Take opportunities to show your stuff and prove to the people who make decisions that you are ready to take on bigger roles. So abangan nyo po ang bawat isang video dito sa 10 na ito. And I'm sure it can help you and it can guide you in your journey. Abangan!